take the video lecture for computer science for class 12th, that is Python. I think all of you have got the curriculum for the next academic year 2020-21. All of you are preparing for the board exam, right? For the next board exam, waiting for the next board exam 2021. So let's start the topic from now onwards. Let's learn together so that at last it won't be a big burden for you. Okay, don't waste any time. I know you have immense of time now to play, to sleep, to eat, to drink, to play, everything. But small amount of time should be utilized for studying also, for doing some craft work, for doing some positive things, to read some positive things. Make use of the time. Okay. So our school provides a best opportunity to give you, all our teachers are behind you so that you don't waste much time in your quarantine period or during your vacation, so that we'll be able to give you small amount of information, small amount of knowledge, small amount of everything to you to make your quarantine time the best one. Okay. So let's recap what we have learned in class 11. That is your first lesson of the first topic of your plus 2 syllabus. That is revision 2 for class 11th. You have to recap all what you have learned in class 11th. All what you have learned in class 11th. So you know who found Python? Who is a developer behind Python? Yes, it's Guido van Rossum. He developed Python in late 1980s, and also he implemented it after the language. The implementation was done after the language ABC language, and also various researches were done in this language. Okay. At last, now most of us are using this language, even in artificial intelligence, robotics, etc. They are using this language. Very simple language, very powerful language, and also it is a modern, high-level programming language. Don't worry, it's really very easy. You have to just go on with us so that you can score very good marks in your board exam. And also this Python is called an interpreted language. What is an interpreted language? The programs are executed by the interpreter. Okay. Programs are executed by the interpreter. So it is also called as an interpreted language. There are actually the program codes can be written in two modes. The first one is interactive mode and the second one is script mode. In interactive mode, the program code can be written, it can be written then and there, the programs will be, the errors will be corrected, and then the output can be got. But then no code can be saved in interactive mode. That is the main disadvantage of interactive mode. So if you want to save the code, for example, you want to find the factorial of a number, you want to find the greatest number, all that code should be saved. For that we use script mode. The answer will be same in both the cases, but the way you do will be different in both the cases. You all have done lot of problems, lot of programs, I know that. So I'm just here to tell you or to teach you two data types, that is strings and tuples. Today I'm going to teach you strings and tuples. So we have the different data types used in Python. Okay, let's see this. Data types can be divided into numbers, none, sequence, set and mapping. The numbers can be divided into integer data type, floating point data type, complex data type, and the integer can again be divided into Boolean data type. This is the main important part of this Python programming, that is sequence. What is a sequence? Sequence is an ordered collection of items. Okay, ordered collection of items, and here we have different types of the string, tuple, list. These are the different sequences used in Python. Whereas this string and tuple are immutable. What does immutable means? List is mutable. What is immutable and mutable? Mutable means the variable's value can be changed. Mutable. Immutable means the values of the variables cannot be changed after it has been assigned or created. Immutable means the variables, the values of the variables cannot be changed. Immutable. Whereas in mutable case, the values of the variables can be changed after it has been assigned. In this case, the string and tuples are immutable and list and dictionary are mutable. Clear? Just note down. So today we are going to learn about string. Okay. So string is an immutable sequence used in Python. What does immutable means? The variables which has assigned some values cannot be changed. Okay. So there are 4 types of sequences or mutable and immutable data types. Strings, list, tuple and dictionary. So today we are going to deal with strings. String means what? A sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. It is an immutable data type also. Let's see here we have an example, hello Python. Hello Python is a string where it has been enclosed. Each character is enclosed in a special subscript. Okay, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It starts with 0. So what is this? This is called forward indexing and this is called backward indexing. The index numbers are put in forward order. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And backward order, it comes from that side, right hand side. That is called backward indexing and this is the string. Okay? Please note down this. Here we have some string operations. String operations are concatenation, repetition, membership and also we have slicing that we will learn a little later. Now these are the main operations of string. Concatenation, repetition and membership. For concatenation we use the symbol plus. Repetition we use the symbol star and in or out, not in is used for the membership, used as the membership operator. Okay. So let's see here we have 2 strings. String 1 is good and string 2 is morning. Okay. What is string 1 plus string 2? Let's see. Print string 1 plus string 2. What do you get? It is good morning. Okay. What do you get? Print what is the answer for this? str2 star 3. What is the answer for this? Morning, morning, morning. That means 3 times the string will be displayed. Clear? Next is membership operator. Print H in str1. This will check whether the character H is in string 1. Is there an H in string 1? No. So the answer for this is false. Clear? present in the string, it will display true. If it is not present, it will display false. Just note down this. So next we are moving on to the another operation of string, that is string slicing. You all know we used to slice mangoes, we used to slice apples. So likewise we are going to slice a string. Okay. So here let's see what is slicing. Slicing means a subset of string that has been retrieved from a big string. A subset of a string which has been retrieved from a big string. It's a substring. It's also called a substring. Okay. So here we have the syntax for that. The string name, and in square brackets we have start colon, end colon, step. Where start means the starting integer where the slice starts. End means it is the position till which the slicing takes place. The end position, which means end -1 will be the position. And also the step means it is an integer value, how much it should be incremented. That is the value that has been chosen, step value. All these values are optional values. Okay, if you want you can write, otherwise there is no need of write. Okay. Just note it down. Let's move on to the example for string slicing. So we have a string here, hello Python. String 1 is hello space Python. Okay. So let's put the index, forward index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here space you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And reverse indexing you can put -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 for space, -8, -9, -10, -11 and -2. First you have to put the forward indexing and backward indexing. That is your first step. When you get a question for slicing, you have to first put the forward indexing and backward indexing. So you have to tell me the output of this question. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 questions. So what is the answer for the string 1? You have no limit for the starting and you have no limit for the ending. What will you write here? You have to write, the answer will be hello space here. So here we have hello space Python is the output for this question. What is the output for this question? String 1, 2 is to 6. That is, the starting value is 2 and the ending value is 6. 2 means here what? L. 6 means P. So the just end -1 till here. Okay. So the answer is L, L, O space. Clear? This is 2. 2 means it starts from L. You have to look the forward indexing. Since it is positive 1, you have to look the forward indexing. 2 belongs to the capital L. Okay. Then 2 till ending is 6. 6 means end -1 should be taken. So L, L, O space is the answer for this. Clear? Next one is string 1 dash is to 5. Which means what? Dash is to 5. You have no limit for the starting. That means you have to start from the beginning. Output will be H, E, L, L, O. That is the output for this question. What is the output for this question? 3. Output for this is L, O space, P, Y, T, H, O. Is it clear? How did this come? 3 is the starting limit. 3. Ending you have no value, so you have to complete till the end. Next is no limit colon, no limit colon 2. Which means what? You have to start from the first itself. Okay. 1, 2, L, then 1, 2, O, then 1, 2, P, 1, 2, T, 1, 2, O. So that will be the answer for this question. Clear? So let's move on to this question. String 1. So string 1, -5 is to -2. So this is the starting limit and this is the ending limit. -5 means you have to look the negative indexing or backward indexing. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Isn't it? So we have -5. This is Y. T, H. That will be the answer for here. What is this? Y, T, H. Why do you write that Y, T, H? Starting is -5. Ending is -2. -2, -1. That till here you have to write. Okay. So Y, T, H will be the answer for this question. Next is 5 is to 2 is to -1. 5 is to 2 is to -1. So this is also -1. So you have to start from the negative indexing. Negative indexing, when you go, you have to look for 5. Okay. 5 to 2. Okay. So what will we write? This is negative indexing. You have to look backward only. So starting is 5. Okay. Starting is 5 means you have to start from here. Start from here and then you have to write 0, O and N. Okay. So this the answer for this is space O, L will be the answer. What is the answer for this one? Negative indexing starts from -2 to -5. Okay, the answer for this is O, H, T. Next one, look. It starts from -2. It ends in 5, -5. And here you have to implement -2. So first O you have to write. Then T. So hope you have understood this. There will be a little bit confusing because here you have the forward indexing, there you have the backward indexing. Just remember one thing, when you write the last letter, okay, if it is example for example 2 is to 5, you will write only till 2, 3 and 4. You will write characters only 2, 3 and 4. Likewise here also, if it is from -5 to -2, you will write only -2, -5, -4 and -3. Okay, you have to write till end -1. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? Starting letter should be -5, but ending should be -2, -1. That means -3. That I have told you already. If you have, say for example, and I'll give you another example. MORNING. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will be right? This is string 1. Okay. String 2. String 2. 3 is to 5. What will be the answer for this? What will be the answer? You have to start from 3. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You have to start from 3. 3 is end. Then you have to continue till 5. But not till 5. Till 4 only you have to continue. So NI will be the answer. Clear? So same as case string 2. minus 1, -2, -3, -5, -6. Okay. -6 is to -2. What will be the answer? So you have to start from -6. Okay. O, R, N, I. You will not write what? This -2 value. Clear? So that's the all case with with the string slicing. Here we have some built-in functions for the string in Python. The first one is alpha, is digit, is lower, is upper. As you all have learned, is alpha means to check whether the character is an alphabet or not. Is digit means to check whether a character in a string is a digit or not. Is lower means to check whether the characters are written in lower case or not. Lower means it is used to convert to lowercase alphabet. Is upper means to check whether it is an uppercase or not. The character is an uppercase or not. Upper means this is a built-in function used to convert to uppercase. Uppercase means capital letters. Okay. Lowercase means small letters. Is space means is used to check whether there are any blank spaces in a string. If it is just a blank space, then it will reply or it will give the output as true. If you have some string, good. Then to check if this is space, no, this is not an space. It gives false. Is title. Is title means whether that string is well titled or not. Example, from all is good. This is not well titled. This also should contain a capital letter. Or the first letter of every word should be in capital. Then we can say that it is well titled. Then it will return as true. Swap case means if the string is in lowercase, it will convert to uppercase. And if it is in uppercase, it will convert to lowercase. Then we have two other functions in Python for character encoding. Odd of, and it is used to find the ASCII code of a given character. And also CHR is used to find rows. ASCII code will be given and it is used to find the character of the given ASCII number. Okay. So these are the built-in functions of Python which I use in strings. Built-in strings methods. Okay. Just write up. So that's all with the topic string. It is an immutable data type or an immutable sequence data type. So in the next lecture we will move on to the tuples and list. Okay. So thank you for watching. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Thank you.